name is Amanda Gibson, registered dietitian and area nutrition agent with the LSU AgCenter. Today I'm going to show you how to create a dish that's easy enough for your children to help you make and delicious enough for them to enjoy. Snacks are all the craze and can be an essential part of a child's diet. Next time your child wants a snack, look towards whole grains, like the oats in this Chewy Granola bar. Whole grains are full of fiber, and a diet including these can actually reduce your risk of certain health conditions like heart disease. For this recipe, you'll need 2 cups quick cooking oats, 2 cups crispy rice cereal, 3/4 cup pancake syrup, maple syrup or honey, 1/2 cup peanut butter, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, and 20 small pretzels crushed. Pour syrup or honey into a microwave-safe bowl and heat in the microwave for 1 minute. Stir in peanut butter until combined, then microwave for 1 more minute. Then stir in the vanilla. Combine the cereal and oats and pour the syrup mixture over. Stir completely until it's coated. Stir in the crushed pretzels and any other toppings that you want to add. You could add dried fruit, nuts, chocolate chips, or even coconut. Pour the mixture into a 9x13 pan that's been coated with cooking spray. Then press firmly into the pan using wax paper or even the back of a spoon. Allow the mixture to cool to room temperature before cutting them into bars. Or, for a crunchier bar, bake it in a 300-degree oven for 20 minutes. This recipe serves 24 and is only 8 cents a serving. This video was brought to you by the LSU AgCenter SNAP-Ed program, where we provide nutrition education opportunities for adults and children, as well as healthy community efforts throughout Terrebonne and Lafourche Parish. For more information about SNAP-Ed, contact Amanda Gibson with the LSU AgCenter.